Why is my air conditioner running but not cooling my home? This usually happens because your system is either low on refrigerant, has a dirty air filter blocking airflow, or the outdoor condenser unit is dirty and cannot release heat properly. Think of your air conditioner like a sponge that soaks up heat from inside your house and squeezes it out outside. If the sponge is clogged with dust and dirt, it cannot soak up much heat, so cool air barely comes out even though the unit sounds like it is working hard. A dirty air filter is one of the biggest hidden culprits because it restricts airflow so much that the evaporator coil inside can actually freeze over, and a frozen coil cannot cool anything at all. Something a lot of homeowners do not realize is that a frozen coil often keeps blowing air, just warm air, which tricks people into thinking the whole system is broken when it just needs to thaw and get a fresh filter. Another lesser known issue is low refrigerant, which almost always means there is a leak somewhere, and simply adding more refrigerant without fixing the leak is just a temporary band-aid. Your outdoor unit also needs at least 2 feet of clear space around it to breathe, so bushes, leaves, or dirt buildup can quietly choke its performance over time. One common mistake is assuming a thermostat set lower will cool the house faster, but it actually just makes the system run longer without speeding anything up, so keep it at a steady, comfortable setting instead. Another big misconception is ignoring regular filter changes, so try swapping your filter every 1 to 3 months depending on your household, especially if you have pets. People also forget that closing too many vents to save energy actually increases pressure in the system and can damage it, so it is better to keep most vents open and let the system breathe properly. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job It Here, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.